Hey, good morning class. How are you all? I hope you must be fine. Class, yesterday we did representation of rational number on number line. Today I am again in front of you with addition of rational number. One more thing, I am very happy that you all have sent me the answers. All those names I have appointed yesterday. I have given your names to send me the notes. You all sent me the notes. Thank you very much. You all did your work very nicely. So now today we have to start with addition of rational number. So take out your copies and pen. Write down the date on the top. Today is 17th. Our subject is maths. Chapter 1. Rational number. And the subtopic of the day is addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. So students, we can do the addition of a rational number in two ways. First way, the addition of a rational number when the denominators of the rational numbers are same. When denominators are same. And in other method, this is when denominators are different. So here the example is, let us have two rational numbers. The first rational number is a upon b, and I have to the rational number with c upon b. Here let us see, both the denominators are same, b and b. So what to do here? According to the process, I have to take the LCM. LCM of b and b will be, you know the process, this is not a new, all of you have done these type of sums. So in this process, what to do? I have to divide b by this denominator. B divided by b, answer is 1. Then 1 should be multiplied by the numerator. 1 into a is a. Then plus sign. Again, b divided by b, answer is 1. And 1 will be multiplied with c, answer is c. So a plus c upon b. This will be the answer when denominators are same. Now let us see what happens when denominators are different. Let first rational number is a upon b and the other number is c upon d. Now here the denominator is b and here it is d. So what should be the LCM? b into d. You know na the process how to do LCM? b into d. So the LCM is b into d. Now I have to divide bd by b. When I will divide bd by b, likewise bd divide by b, b and b will be cancelled. What should be the answer? Answer will be d only. Answer will be d only. So I will write d here and d into a, dA, because a was already present here and I got d from here, d into a, dA. Plus sign, again bd divided by d. When I will divide bd by d, what is going to be cancelled? D and d will be cancelled. What is remaining? b here. Now b into c. What should be the answer? c into b. So this will be the answer. When the denominators are different, then the answer will be this. And when denominators are same, the answer will be this. So the closure property says sum of two rational number is also a rational number. Now come to the next property, that is commutative property. The commutative property says the two rational number can be added in any order. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. Means कि दो रैशनल नंबर को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड किया जाए, आंसर सेम ही आता है. ऑर्डर चेंज करने का मतलब किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड किया जाए. एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस हैव 3/4, दिस इज द फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर, प्लस 1/4, दिस इज अनदर रैशनल नंबर. If I will change its order, means if I will write 1/4 first एंड देन 3/4। मैंने यहाँ इसका ऑर्डर बदल दिया, इधर 3/4 पहले था, 1/4 बाद में, और यहाँ ऑर्डर चेंज करके 1/4 आगे आ गया और 3/4 बाद में। नाउ आई विल सॉल्व बोथ द साइड साइमल्टेनियसली, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड, both side I will solve simultaneously and you will see that the answers are same. Now let us do. LCM is 4 divided by 4, 1 into 3, 3, plus 4 divided by 4, 1 into 1, equal, again LCM is 4 divided by 4, 1 into 1, plus 4 divided by 4, 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4. Are the answers equal? Definitely they are equal. So therefore 1 is equal to 1. इसलिए कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी सेज कि अगर हम रैशनल नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज कर दें, आगे वाला नंबर पीछे, पीछे वाला नंबर आगे कर देने पर भी आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा। 2 + 5 is 7 और 5 + 2 is again 7. Now the third property. Now class, the third property is associative property. You know we can say then closure property or closure law, commutative property or commutative law, and associative property or associative law. Here comes associative law. What does an associative property says? Associative property says if there are more than 2 rational numbers, means if there are 3 rational numbers, we can again add them in any order. We can change their order. Answer is not going to differ while adding the numbers. The property is writing over here. While adding 3 rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Means अगर आप 3 rational number को भी add करते हैं तो आपके आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. Suppose first rational number is 1/2, other rational number is 2/3, and the third number is 1/3. If you change its order, means suppose I am adding these two first and this one again, and here if I am adding 1 first, 1/2 first and 2/3 plus 1/3 at the second time, answer will be same. There will be no change in answer. Now let us solve it. Here it is in the bracket, here it is in the bracket. First of all we have to solve the bracket. Left hand side and right hand side we have to show them equal, because the property says कि अगर हम नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं, बदल देते हैं, तो आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. Answer is 3. 3 1 is 3. Plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 2 is 4. Plus 1/3. We have to show that this is equal to. Here it is 1/2 plus LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1 1 2 is 2, plus 3 divided by 3, 1 1 1 is 1. So what should come here? 7 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 equal 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 3. Now let us solve. Here the LCM is 6. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. 2 3s are 3 1s are 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 divided by 6, 1 1 7s are 7. 6 divided by 3, 2 2 1s are 2. Here what comes here? LCM is 6 divided by 2, 3 plus 6. Here it is 9 by 6. Again here it is 9 by 6. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Now class, only two properties are left of addition of rational number. One is existence of additive identity and other one is existence of additive inverse. Okay, so what is existence of additive identity? Existence of additive identity. What do you mean by identity? What do you mean by identity? Identity means पहचान, मेरी आपकी पहचान. So this property is existence of additive identity. एक ऐसा नंबर जो एक रैशनल नंबर में ऐड हो रहा है और रैशनल नंबर की आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही है, इट विल रिमेन सेम. तो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट नंबर? एक ऐसा नंबर जो किसी रैशनल नंबर में ऐड हो रहा है और उसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही. आई नो मैनी ऑफ यू नोज द आंसर. दैट इज जीरो. दैट इज जीरो. Zero is the number which is additive identity. If anybody asks, what is the additive identity of 1 by 2? So additive identity of 1 by 2 is 0. So existence of additive identity says 0 is a rational number such that the sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. Means if I will add 0 in 4 by 7, the answer will remain 4 by 7. Addition of 0 never changes the rational number. So we can write it like this, that 4 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 4 by 7. Answer will remain 4 by 7. आप इस बात से याद रखिएगा, दिस हियर इट इज आइडेंटिटी मीन्स पहचान. आपको एक रैशनल नंबर में ऐसा नंबर ऐड करना है कि उस रैशनल नंबर की पहचान ना खोए. इट विल रिमेन सेम. नाउ द लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एडिटिव इनवर्स. हियर व्हाट कम्स? इनवर्स. इनवर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इनवर्स? एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एडिटिव inverse. In mathematical language, what do you mean by inverse? Inverse means reciprocal. Reciprocal का मतलब नंबर को उलट देना. A by B का reciprocal हो गया B by A. Means inverse of A upon B is B upon A. Now here comes, we have to know what is the existence of additive inverse. Here the property says for every rational number A upon B, there exists a rational number with its negative sign. Means if I am having a number 4 by 7, what should be its additive inverse? मतलब इसका तख्ता पलट दे, इसको उलट दे. ऐसा कोई नंबर बताइए जो इसके साथ ऐड हो और इसको 0 कर दे. तो what should be that number? That will be negative of the given rational number. If the given rational number is positive, then its additive inverse will be in minus. And if the given rational number is negative, then its additive inverse will be the positive number with the same rational number. So existence of additive inverse says that 4 by 7 plus minus 4 by 7. आपको एक ऐसा नंबर ऐड करना है जो इसके साथ ऐड हो और इसको 0 में कन्वर्ट कर दे. Only the same number with the opposite sign can convert a rational number in 0. Now here what comes? 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7. What comes? Both number are cancelled. एक जैसे नंबर अगर अलग अलग निशान के साथ हो तो they are cancelled. तो 4 by 7 प्लस का 4 by 7 माइनस का कट दे. तो एक एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी से आपको कुछ अपना एक ऐसा निशान बना लेना है कि आपको इजीली समझ आ जाए. और एडिटिव इन्वर्स को कुछ इस तरह से कि आपको यहाँ पर इसका इन्वर्स कर देना है, उलट देना है. उलट देने का मतलब ये नहीं कि 4 by 7 को 7 by 4. 4 by 7 को 7 by 4 सिर्फ उसी कंडीशन में करेंगे जब उसका रेसिप्रोकल पूछा जाएगा. यहाँ ये कह रहा है कि एग्जिस्टेंस क्या है इन्वर्स की. इन्वर्स की एग्जिस्टेंस ये है कि किसी एक रैशनल नंबर को उसी के नेगेटिव नंबर से अगर हम ऐड कर दें तो मेरे पास आंसर 0 आ जाता है. दिस इज द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एडिटिव इन्वर्स. क्लास, this is sufficient for today. You have to write down all the 5 definition. इन 5 डेफिनेशन को करोगे और एक एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ डेफिनेशन भी लिखना है और आपको एग्जाम्पल्स भी सॉल्व करना है. थैंक यू क्लास. हैव अ नाइस डे.